So the Republicans revealed their plan. The CBO scored it. And this is what Bernie Sanders had to say about it.
Speaker Paul Ryan thinks that his legislation can get 51 votes in the Senate. What do you think?
Well, I sure hope not, John. It is an absolute disaster. It is a disgrace. And by the way, this really has nothing to do with health care. What this has everything to do with is a massive shift of wealth from working people and middle-income people to the very richest people in this country. It is a $275 billion tax break for the top 2%. Millionaires will get about $50,000 a year in tax breaks, while at the same time, some 5 to 10 million people are going to lose their health insurance. Premiums are going to soar. The AARP says that if you are 64 years of age and you're making about $25,000 a year, you're going to pay up to $7,000 more for your health insurance. They're going to defund Planned Parenthood, deny over 2 million women the right to choose the health care that they need. They're going to decimate Medicaid, which is why the American Medical Association, the AMA, and the American Hospital Association oppose it in addition to the AARP. This is a disgrace. And by the way, they are so cowardly that they want to go forward before the CBO even gives an estimate as to what it will cost and how many people will lose their insurance.
Okay, well, the CBO let us know today. So we know 24 million people by 2024 will lose their health insurance. So Bernie Sanders did not mince words. It's a disaster. And that's why I want you to join me in working for a single payer. So he's right. It's a tax cut for rich people. It screws over poor people. AARP's against it. The AMA's against it. Everybody's against it. Now Republicans are in power and they have to legislate. And it doesn't look pretty. Hey, we have to solve problems that only government can solve. Yeah, but we're not good at solving problems. I know. That's why this is ugly. That's why every time you guys try to do something, it's horrible. So there you go. Bernie Sanders breaks it down. It's a giveaway to the richest people. It's a tax cut for millionaires. It takes health care away from poor people. I don't see it passing. So that's why, I mean, people are getting worked up about it. I say they're going to keep Obamacare going because they're not going to be able to come together on an idea. We'll see. Trump is twisting arms on this, which we will talk about. Trump is twisting arms on this.
I'm kind of with you, though. I don't see this going anywhere. And I think...
Trump, let me just say one thing before you go. Mm-hmm. Trump said he will go to states where Democrats are weak, and he will hold rallies to get them to support his Trumpcare. Go ahead.
No, I mean, I think it'll be interesting to see what he does, but I'm with you that I don't see it going anywhere. I mean, it has too much, like, bipartisan, like, people that hate it.
Dislike.
It has too much dislike, and I just don't see... I see Trump, like, eventually trying to talk his way out of it. Like I think this is kind of just smoke and mirrors.
Yeah, to the point where Trump will blame his own party if it doesn't work.
Mm-hmm.
To the point where go, hey, these Republicans, I tried, I can't help but Paul Ryan's a jerk. He's not above doing that.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So he'll just turn on his own party.
Yeah, as soon as he has the ideal scapegoat in place, he's going to find a way to flip this out. That's what I think is going to happen, too.
So that's why we need Bernie Sanders. He says it's straight. He knows exactly, but he has a plan to fix it. It's called single payer. And the Democrats won't say it. They won't even say it public option. So just remember what's happening right now, that the Democrats are kicking and screaming at the top of their lungs to save a right-wing healthcare plan, which is nothing more than a giveaway to big health corporations, health insurance corporations, and big pharma. That's what the Democrats are reduced to. That's what neoliberalism did to the Democrats. That's what Barack Obama did to the Democrats. That even when the Democrats had complete control of Congress, the Senate, and the White House, they gave us a fucking corporate healthcare giveaway plan anyway that doesn't control costs. And now they're left fighting for it. Now the Democrats are fighting for the heritage, for Romney Care, instead of single payer, which is what they're supposed to be doing.
And they have political incentives to go for it, too, because I think them Like I think them clinging to the ACA has hurt them because a lot of people realize like, yeah, this is better than what we had, but it's just a baby step in a better direction. We need to do more. And then when you have Hillary Clinton saying universal health care is never going to happen, making it out like the ACA was a fix-all. We're done with this issue now. No, we're nowhere near done with this issue. So it's actually hurting them from a political strategy standpoint instead of saying, hey, our fix is universal single payer, which if people really understood what that would do and what it was, it would have huge support.
That should be their platform. Really, the Democrats literally aren't even mentioning the public option. That's how still bought they are. And that's how no alternatives they have. And now they're just going to scream and fight for a right-wing health care plan. And that's why the Democrats are worthless. Hey, our next show is March 20th in Burbank. It's almost sold out. Our next show after that is April 3rd in Hollywood at the Improv. Links for tickets right below.